My good friend and I have this idea that we always come back to. We'd rather be fishing some silver medal waters than a gold medal stretch any day. Maybe you're familiar with the concept, but gold medal or blue ribbon or whatever else your state calls them have a few things in common. Typically, a certain number of pounds of trout per square mile, along with the potential for trophy fish. But these places, they also have something else in common that isn't advertised. People. Lots of them. And along with that, pressured, picky fish. And we'll put it this way, I'm no Pat Dorsey. Don't get me wrong, I respect and admire those legendary few that dedicate their lives to fooling wary tailwater fish, but it's just not my jam. This is where our so-called silver medal streams come in. These second place waters are often in beautiful, off-the-beaten-path places, devoid of other fishermen, and surprisingly full of quality fish. Behold, our stream today. This stunning, snaking spring creek is somehow full of large brookies and browns, all while being surrounded by the most gorgeous scenery you have ever seen. And today, it's all mine. Oh my gosh, nice fish. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Wow. Wow. To catch a fish this size out of a place this tiny, look at this creek in this lush green valley, butted up against these cliffs, just absolutely gorgeous. Here we go, what do we got here? Wow, freaking big brook trout. That's awesome. That is so cool. Look at the size of that brook trout. That is a surprise catch for sure. Wow. It's gonna be very interesting to see what the rest of the day holds. That was really such a surprisingly big brook trout for this stream. Makes me wonder, maybe the juiciest holes are gonna have big ones in them. But maybe low fish density, which I will not complain about, not for 1 second. But I would definitely normally expect other streams to have a couple fish, in a hole like this. But we just had that one big bruiser. There we go. There we go. Drifted past those weeds a couple times, but took him a few shots to eat it. Not as big as the last one, but definitely not bad at all. Definitely not bad. Another brook trout. Heck yes. It's gonna be a good day. That last brook trout actually spit up a pretty big earthworm. I always thought that, people said that trout eat worms after rain just to justify their use of a sandworm worm, the fly. Not that I have anything wrong with any junk flies, for the record. I really don't. But that was pretty interesting to see that happen. It makes sense too. Lots of rain, lots of earthworms out. Brook trout being opportunistic feeders. I guess they really do eat worms. Have any of you ever seen any proof of trout eating worms? Let me know in the comments below. I'd be interested to see how common it really is. Another one right on the bank there. Oh my goodness. I'm using the Tenkara Rodco, the Yari today. This rod feels absolutely insane. It's got a little bit of fiberglass in the blank, and it makes the action just feel so good. It bends so deep towards the handle. It is really fun, really fun. Great to cast too. Oh my gosh, another nice brook trout. With the water being off color from last night's thunderstorms, I think that's actually an advantage on such a tiny creek like this, because these brook trout, they're wary, you know, they know. If you're messing around and it's sunny and you're looking over the edge, they're gonna see you in an instant and they'll be gone. They're not gonna eat. Having the clarity reduced just a little bit, not to mention a nice overcast day. It definitely helps. That was awesome. Spunky, dude. Maybe the smallest one of the bunch so far, but he's fighting. He is fighting harder than his size would suggest. Ah, oh, beautiful, beautiful. This is awesome. You know, it's actually a really special day for me today. A day that only comes about once every 2 or so fishing seasons. And you know what that day is? It's New Croc Day. Brand new, smelling great, soles intact, 4-wheel drive strap, engaged Crocs. And not just any Crocs, mind you, but the best Crocs of all, the Croc Bistros. These bad boys with their patented Crocs lock technology are, and I'm not joking anymore, literally the most slip resistant, best, most stickiest shoe that I have ever used in wet conditions. They're dirt cheap, they're durable, and they work really well for me. If you think you might want to join my Croc cult, check out my link in the description below. There's a brookie. There's a brookie. Nice one too. See, he liked me talking about those Crocs. They're all about it. Crocs are just fishy. Are you really a trout bum if you're wearing Sims? I don't think so. There we go. Tucked way up under that bank. Oh my goodness. Looks like a nice brown actually. I didn't think we were gonna find any other species in here. This Yari is fun, but for every bit that you give where they stay pinned because the rod flexes so much, that also means you have less control steering them. Still fun as heck, and I'd rather have it this way, but I do not want this guy burying himself up under the bank, that's for sure. He's trying, he keeps trying. Get out of there, dude. There we go. Wow, really nice fish. Gosh, that's awesome. Ooh, hit right on the first cast there. This hole does look incredible. I think we're gonna find some fish. Right on the edge of the weeds here. Oh, good Lord. Rod is singing. Whew. Another nice brown. They're fighting hard today. Man, oh man, let's keep this party going. Seems like there's decent brown trout and brook trout in almost every single hole. Truly the stuff that dreams are made of. To have fish of this size in a stream this small and so scenic, I mean, that is truly special. Boom. There's another one right there. The rain has definitely been threatening all day. Although to be fair, it was supposed to have been thunderstorming already, and somehow we've managed to avoid it, which I'm really happy about because I do not want to get kicked off of this creek. There's another one. Wind is starting to pick up. Some thunder is rumbling in the distance pretty consistently now. I knew it was always in the forecast that we were supposed to get some rain and some thunderstorms, but it was supposed to come much earlier in the day. I thought maybe we'd get lucky and avoid it outright, but that doesn't seem to be the case anymore. There we go. They're still biting even with that rain coming in. Some happy fish in this creek. This thunderstorm, it's moving in quick. I don't want to be stuck out here in this field holding a Tenkara rod above my head. Doesn't seem like the best idea. But while I wouldn't be leaving this creek of my own accord, I'm satisfied. I'm so satisfied. This place has been above and beyond my wildest expectations. I can't believe the quality of the fish that I have caught in such a small creek, and it's just been absolutely beautiful. Just an incredible day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed this one, consider shooting me a like, or even better, leave me a comment. Absolutely love talking to you guys. I love the community that I've built on my page. But thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. If you'd like to watch me fish another spring creek, click the video above.